All right, so you're a product builder and enterprise startup, but your manager won't promote you unless you're more customer centric and data driven. Your last launch did not land with users, so your engineers keep pushing back, saying that they feel disconnected and they need more proof from customers. But honestly, you're just overwhelmed. Feedback streams in from a million different places. You don't have time to extract any insights, and it's just mind numbing having to connect your feedback with your backlog manually. So enter Inari. Inari helps you build delightful products by identifying actionable insights and product opportunities automatically from your customer feedback, your CRM, and your backlog. So with Inari, your team's customer signals are unified in one place. Gong calls, Intercom tickets, Slack pings, GT reviews. Inari analyzes it all real time using fine-tuned models and labels the top requests, defects, praises, and learnings. Instead of manually copying 10 different feedback sources into ChatGPT each week for your WBR, Inari already identified all the top insights opportunities for you. So check out this insight. 36 customers worth 60K in revenue requested integrations with Salesforce and HubSpot. Inari surfaced a topic, auto-linked it to relevant feedback and accounts, and then backed everything with citations. If you need follow-ups, you can go ahead and ask and prompt new questions, save the insights that are generated, and then track them later. All right, so now your Eng team is asking for specs based on customer problems. You can go ahead and visit any feedback and then generate issues in one click. Inari is going to go ahead and aggregate relevant feedback and then draft the PRD grounded in that customer context. Cool. So you can build confidence with your engineering team that they're shipping what customers need by showing exactly which companies are requesting a feature, what issues are worth based on deal sizes captured in your CRM, and then even have your existing Jira or Linear issues ingested and then linked to feedback, making prioritization and identifying edge cases easy. Even better, you have a team of crack engineers pushing the limits of AI coding tools like Cursor and Replit. With one click, Inari will aggregate and convert all of this customer context into a fleshed out prompt so you can guide the AI in building features faster. All right, so in the near future, as AI performance improves, feedback might stream into Inari, they get auto-synthesized into insights and issues, and then you can pass these instructions into tools like GitHub Copilot Workspace to generate a plan to tackle it, or even copilots like Bolt, and you can draft PRs and prototypes for your Eng team to review and improve very quickly. So if you're excited about building delightful products grounded in customer needs, try us out at useinari.com. Thank you.